welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a pretty requested video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys an updated tour of my bedroom. For some reason, apparently you guys are curious to know what it looks like. I thought I may as well show you all. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start over by my door. Of course, this is where we enter. As you can see on the back of my door, I've just got loads of hoodies. I've got a denim jacket. I've also got a little bag hanging. Honestly, it annoys me so much, but I have nowhere else to put them, so deal with it. I then have my built-in wardrobe and like boiler cupboards. I'm aware it do be looking kind of ghetto. It did have handles like those. Somebody broke them off and didn't tell me, so now I have to deal with it. Not very interesting. Some clothes, and up there we just keep all of our Christmas decorations. On the floor, I've just got my little grey rug. It's super nice. Over here, I've got my bin. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I've got some random bags there. I've got my tripod tucked in there too. My Fair studio light. I've never actually shown you where I stored that before because I always use it when I'm filming. Since it's light outside, I thought I'd just use the natural lighting today. These chest of drawers are just from Dunelm. I just keep some of my clothes in there, obviously. On top of it, I've just got my little jewelry box. Got my Greg and Nutella earrings in there. Love to see it. Got my Gucci bag because I like to flex on y'all. It's quite an important part of the bedroom. Also got some pictures of me and my friends. Down here, I've got 2 Marilyn Monroe storage boxes. In this one, I've just got shoes, and down here is just so much random stuff. I have stuff from you guys in there. I've got my old DS in there. There is a lot of stuff in there. I'm not about to go through it. Sliders check. Under this is just a load of random stuff. I've got my keyboard, which I can't play. That's always fun. Above that, I've got these 3 pictures of Marilyn Monroe. She's gorgeous. This is my bookcase, and I can't decide whether I like it or really hate it. I don't know whether to get rid of it or not because I don't really know where I'd put all this stuff if I got rid of it. It's here for now, so this is what it looks like. I've just got a little Starlight trophy up there. This is just like a memory box, and these are 2 dresses from the Serafina collection. The dresses are all handmade and they're so pretty. I've got this printer. I need new ink. Another picture of Marilyn. Would you look at that? Who would have thought? Got some sellotape. I've got a Virgin Media box, but as you can probably tell, I don't use it. I don't have a TV. It is pointless being here, but you know what? We have it. Got this little cupcake money jar and an umbrella. There's my broken doorknob. Wow. I've got another little money jar thing. I'm flexing again. Sorry. I'm sorry, okay? I can't control myself. I've got this weird science museum contraption. Wow. Haha, that was rude, I'm sorry. Anyways, let's censor that. I think I've had enough of myself at this point. This is just my camera charger. I keep it there just because I plug it in there and just push it in. That was my tutorial on charging batteries. Down here, I've got a load of books that I'm probably not gonna read ever again. In these little magazine holders, I've got some of my GCSE revision books, which are really not needed anymore. It's almost been a whole year since I did my GCSEs. I should probably get rid of those. In here, I've just got like a hairdryer and some hair stuff. Down there, I've just got some like plugs. I've got my little stool here so I can just bring it out for when I want to do my makeup. This is another chest of drawers. Both of these are from IKEA. I also kind of use this as my dressing table. These are basically my everyday makeup brushes. In here, I've got my everyday makeup. I've got my mirror, which is from Argos. Love it. Ignore my outfit. I've been lounging around all day. I'm lazy. I've got this picture frame of me and my bestie Zara. These are some more of my makeup brushes. These are my face and these are my eye ones. I've got this fake plant from IKEA. I think everyone has this. Adds a bit of something though, you know. These are basically like my makeup skincare drawers. I've got makeup in these 3. This is my skincare drawer, this is my hair drawer, and this I've just got like little bags and accessories. If you want to see a makeup collection video, let me know. It do be kind of messy up in here though. Definitely need to start organizing my makeup better. On top of this, I've just got my water speakers. These are actually freaking sick. I should use them more often. I've got my light up initials, MAC Prep and Prime spray. This is a candle that I've never lit because I'm not allowed to light them because my mum thinks I'm gonna set the house on fire. Trusting your children. Maybe I'll be allowed when I'm like 50. Obviously, this is my fat window. Lovely view of my neighbours. Hello, John. Also, can I just address this fat crack in my window? Not gonna lie, I don't know how I did it. Also, it's from the inside, so I literally must have done it myself. I used to actually have my bed here. Maybe I did it with my fat head whilst I was sleeping or something. Not too sure though. My head is quite large though, so it's a possibility. I've just got some random little ornaments on my windowsill. Here, I've got one of my bedside tables. I have the most random stuff chucked in here, I'm not even gonna lie. I just leave my laptop on top of it whenever I'm not using it. Above that, I've got this picture of Marilyn Monroe with a very inspirational quote. Got this little clapperboard thing right in the middle. And then this side, we've introduced a little bit of Audrey into the room. I've got my other bedside table. This is the one that I use mostly. In here, it's honestly a mess. Got an old phone. I've got my LED lights remote. My LED lights are probably one of my favorite parts of my bedroom. up. I just got my little bedside lamp. This is my school iPad, so I can just wake up in the mornings and grab it and jump on the Zoom call. Lessons don't start till 10 a.m, so I don't wake up till 10 a.m. I've also got my water bottle here because I literally do keep it there for whenever I need a drink. Phone's on charge right now. Look at my cute little cable bites. His name is Terry the turtle. And then this is amazing. Because it's so light outside right now, it's really not doing it justice. So I'll insert some clips here of what it looks like. It is the most coolest thing ever. It's almost midnight right now. I just had to pull out the camera and just show you my room right now. I personally think my room looks so much better at night just because it's so dark so you can actually see the LEDs and stuff. I give you a quick overview of what it looks like right now. I think the LEDs just makes it look 10 times better. It's so vibey. This is the Starlight Projector. It is so freaking cute. I usually have it like facing this wall. Freaking magical. Let me turn off the LEDs quick. Oh my god. Really do be coming to life right now. Look at that. Honestly, I highly recommend one of these. They're the cutest thing ever. Currently stargazing at midnight. You should definitely get one. I feel like a 5-year-old when I have it on, but at the same time I don't care. Last but far from least, the bit that really makes my bedroom. Isn't she absolutely stunning? That stain right there, it's not what you think it is. It's literally just chocolate, don't worry. It's not like anything that you thought it was. Maybe you thought it was chocolate, so yeah, if you did think that, then you're correct. It's just chocolate. Like, it's literally, it's chocolate. My bedding is from Amazon. Just look up marble bedding and you'll probably find some. That's a chocolate stain, but we won't talk about it. I'm not supposed to eat in my bedroom because stuff like that happens. This is my little friend, don't be shy. He is from Build-A-Bear and he's my bestie. This cushion, I'm not actually too sure where it's from, but it's really cute. It's got little pearl things on it. This is just a huge fluffy grey pillow. My sister keeps trying to tell me to throw it out. She's actually probably texting me as we speak. I guess that wraps up my room tour. I really hope you did enjoy it. If you did, be sure to smash it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're not already. We are so close to freaking 100k. It would mean the absolute world if you carry on supporting me. Also, do ignore that over there. A piece of LED is missing. It's really annoying me too, but we gotta deal with it. I weren't about to waste a whole roll for that tiny bit. I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video. Peace. Don't be shy, put some more. Don't be shy.